Okay, and today we are going to be talking about the Belivein USB-C lavalier wireless microphone. You can find this on Amazon, and what it does is it plugs into a USB-C port like on your Android device and gives you a wireless microphone. So let's open it up and see what we get. Da-da-da-da-da-da. There it is. First off, of course, you see instruction manual. Then inside, we'll pop this out. You have your little transmitter. This plugs into the charge port of your phone and will receive the signal from, let's get it out, the microphone. I know I just said that this was a transmitter, but technically this is the transmitter. This is a mic side. This is the part that would clip on your body and will send your melodic voice over to this part to be recorded on your phone. Very cool and very small setup. Will be quite easy to use. Inside you also get a lavalier clip. Let's see what else is in here. You get a charge cord for the microphone side, and it seems to be a USB-C charger as well. Pretty cool little setup. This would be really good for vlogging if you have to move your camera or flip it, or if it's on a windy day, you have a nice little wind blocker here and it can slightly be under your shirt. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and test this out and see how good this wireless microphone is on an Android phone. Okay, so I have my Android phone. This is the Note 20 Ultra, and what you're going to do is take this and just simply plug it into the bottom, and then there's a power button on the back of this microphone. Hold it down and the little green light will come on and it's solid. I don't know if you can see that tiny green light on camera. And now we should have microphone. Okay, so first, this is my Note 20 Ultra with the built-in microphones. This is not with the external microphone yet. We are just setting a standard. Now let's hook up the external microphone and see how much it improves. Okay, so now we are hooked up to the Belivein wireless microphone. Does this sound better than the standard microphone? Even if it sounds the same, this is still going to give you the freedom to flip your phone around, move it around, and not worry about losing your microphone. You could set it down and do a dance for TikTok if you wanted and still have sound. Wireless microphones are extremely convenient and extremely useful. Let's go ahead and switch back. Okay, and so now I'm going to give you another scenario where you can use a USB-C type microphone. Here is the DJI Action 2, the brand new action camera that is a tiny little device that shoots 4K 120 frames a second, the latest and the greatest from DJI. And guess what? Plug the little wireless mic right into it and you have a nice budget wireless microphone that's going to give you quality sound. Let's see how this sounds on the Action 2. Okay, so now we're on the DJI Action 2, the latest and greatest camera from DJI. It is a very nice top of the line action camera that just came out a few weeks ago. Is this microphone a nice, viable option and a good replacement for the Rode Wireless Go, which cost a couple $100? I think this microphone sounds pretty good and will be a great option for you in your vlogs to put onto your action cameras, such as your Action 2 or your GoPro Hero 10. Let's go back. So we're back on the Rode Wireless Go. The only reason why I'm mentioning this microphone is so you compare the sound of this clip to the other clips where I used the Belivein wireless mic. I'm not very easily impressed, but I think for what you get with this microphone that it is well worth it, and really good if you're just starting out in the video world and you want to have the luxuries without breaking the bank. I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching.